Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. This is on-chain mod. The good thing is that I can copy any token contract address directly on the Bitget exchange app. Now, even if you don't want to go to CoinGecko or go to the CoinMarketCap to do that, you can directly copy it right now all the way from the Bitget DEX decentralized exchange app, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So kindly ensure you watch to the end, and let's get started. Those of you that are new, I'm dropping the link to downloading this app right at the video description, or you can easily just go over to Play Store or Apple Store and download the Bitget DEX Wallet. Kindly know that the Bitget decentralized wallet and the Bitget exchange are two different apps. All right, are two different apps. So what we are making use of right here is the Bitget Web3 wallet, all right, which is separate from the Bitget centralized wallet. So after downloading it from the app, you open it, you create the account, you create and set up your 12 key account, 12 key wallet, or you can also import it directly from into this app. And after you're done, you open the app and then you head over to where you have this wallet section right here. All right, you click on this wallet section right here, and then now it's going to take you to this part. What you have to do now is to search any token of your choice that you want to copy the contract address. Okay, now you can search any coin of your choice right here. All right, just come here, type any coin of your choice. In case you don't see the coin just at the bottom corner right here, you can as well make use of the search bar at the top to search for your coin. All right, or you can also make use of scroll down and you see this manage tokens right here. You can explore these manage tokens to search for the coin you want to buy. So if you click on that explore manage token, it's going to bring out more of the tokens right here. Okay, now just like I said, you can search for the any coin that you want to buy, or any coin that you want to buy. You can search for the name just right here. Okay, now for the sake of this video, let me just search for one particular let me search for a coin, and I'll be making use of the USDT right here to show you. All right, so I'll tap on it. I'll just tap on it. Okay, now there are some key things I want to show you about this wallet that some persons might not really see until you are being told. Whenever you click on any token, whenever you click on any token, okay, let me see, I want to use USDT, so I just tap on USDT right here. Let me just use this one. Okay, so I'll tap on USDT right here. All right, you click on that USDT. Now there is one thing that a lot of persons don't know. Whenever you tap on any coin of your choice, if you look just above here, you can see the various chains that this coin support. All right, now for instance, now I clicked on USDT. Now you can see all the various chains in USDT right there. We have the BNB chain, we have the Ethereum chain, we have the we have other network like the Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, and Solana by just making looking above right there. All right, now this is where all the chains are always displayed. This is where all the chains are always displayed. Now it is left for you to decide the particular network of USDT that you want to copy. Let's say, for instance, I want to copy the Polygon contract address network under the USDT. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just tap on that polygon. All right. You tap on that polygon. Then as soon as you tap on that polygon, if you look just at the top of this USDT, you will see here now that the sign here has changed. That little sign you see has changed from BNB to Polygon under the USDT network. That is what I want you to understand. All right. So now if you can see the USDT and then below you can see Polygon network. And then if I head over to Solana right here and click on again to Solana, just pay attention to right there and see what's going to happen. Now you can see USDT and then below you can see Solana. It means that whatsoever I'm copying right here, now that this sign has changed, it means that whatsoever I'm copying right here, I'm going to be copying the contract address under the USDT network. Okay, so you can now, everything has been changed to USDT under the Solana network. It means that if I'm gonna be copying the USDT Solana network contract address, if I'm gonna be copying it, everything is gonna be under the Solana ecosystem. All right, now you can see now, like for example, let me just copy the contract address of USDT built under the Solana network. I'll just scroll down. To do that, just scroll down to where you have this contract address right here. Just look at the right. You click on that copy button right there at the right. Okay, now I have copied the contract address. Now that I've copied this contract address, I can now go ahead and import this USDT Solana network in any Web3 wallet, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet or the OKX wallet. You can now go ahead and copy and import it in that wallet. All right, now I've just showed you how to copy your contract address right here using just the Bitget decentralized exchange. Also, for the last time, if you want to copy the contract address of USDT under, let's say, the BNB network, just tap this corner right here, and then now you've typed this corner, just scroll down, just scroll a little bit down. You can now see that this contract address has changed. All right, and if you look below, you see BNB chain. All right, so you just tap on it and copy it, and then after copying it, you can now go ahead and import the token or the wallet in any decentralized wallet. Now mind you, if you are copying any token or any USDT token built on the BNB network, you have to send only BNB tokens or USDT tokens into that particular wallet, guys. All right, and for and one more thing, if always confirm the token you are sending, always confirm the address you are sending your tokens to. All right, and always confirm the contract address you are sending the token to before importing or before even sending any token into that wallet. So if this video was very helpful, and if you have any other question, kindly leave it at the comment section, and see you in the next video.